Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this video we got a box here. Now this is something that I've already previously purchased, and this is the white version of it, but we also have a black version of the same one as well. So here we have is UCOM X, and this is basically 3-in-1 portable magnetic wireless charger, and this is the second one that I just got. And basically these are pretty amazing, and these you can definitely use in different parts of your house, or whatever, and in different places. And yeah, they do give you a warning, just like the last time, that these are not compatible with Samsung devices. But I believe obviously the wireless charging should work just like it should be. And then we also have a $30 Amazon gift card as well, as long as you follow the steps here in the back. If you give them a 5-star review, that is, you get a $30 gift card. Wireless charger, we have a little bit of book here that explains everything, how things work and all that. And then we have a charging brick, regular charging brick. Then we also have a wire. This is a USB to USB-C, which basically powers this device that would charge all three things. And then lastly, we have our actual device. Now this is in black. The previous one we got was in white. There we go. This is what it looks like. This is the phone side, and then you open this up, you have all three. So this is going to be your watch charger, and then this is going to be your headphone charger. So this is kind of what it looks like, and this is the back side of it. So the watch one basically like pops out, just like that. So you could use any angle and try to charge your watch that way. This is the phone one, and then this is the headphone one. So when we did the last video, I didn't have an AirPod Gen 2. Now I do. So let's actually check. So it is a little bit magnetic, but it's not like MagSafe magnetic. But this thing is MagSafe compatible, this headphone. So it does catch up onto the thing. It's just not going to be as strong as like it wouldn't hold it like vertically like that, but it does hold it in place where it'll let you know that it's charging, you know what I mean? So I guess, yeah, there is a little magnetism on the headphone side too, so I guess it's okay. It's not a big deal, but I just really like how compact this is, and all the uses you can have out of this. You could definitely put it in different angles and stuff like this. Use it as a phone holder, as you're watching your phone and everything on your desk. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty cool. This is the white color, and then this is the black color. So I'll leave the link in the description if you guys are wondering where to purchase them, right off of Amazon. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.